and some other design techniques in the help of ProBoolean. So for that we have an option named called compound object. Okay. So first of all, I'll create some polygon boxes. Okay, so I'm going to create one box here. Okay, scale it how much you need. So in this Boolean techniques, we can create many polygon models like the windows, doors, and some more designs for the building purpose, for the exterior purpose and all. So here I created one more, duplicated one more polygon here. And before making ProBoolean, so once you copy an object, the depth is more than whatever we created the first object, because we need to remove the inside whatever we copy the object. So here compound object, there is an option named called ProBoolean. So on that, okay, and the option start picking. So once you click on the start picking and just click on the polygon. So right now the object is removed. So once you remove that, so after you need to make a convert into a polygon. Okay, similar. So next what I have to do means, so I'll create a wall, and in the help of ProBoolean techniques, so I will use easily the windows and doors. Okay, I'm copying another side, the window portion. Similarly, copy the window to other side. Okay, convert to editable poly. So in compound object, ProBoolean, and start picking. Okay, so right now you created the shape of door, windows. It's very easy. So without creating any faces, without using any insert option or extrude option, this is the one of the insert option or extrude option. This is the one of the best method, name called ProBoolean. So next what I have to do means, in the help of ProBoolean techniques, I'm going to create one window design. So I take the boxes and the copying boxes to other places. Okay, I'm scaling that, copying and scaling the polygon first. And remember, the thing is, whatever you're going to make or whatever you are going to remove the object, that object should, the object depth is more. So that is, you need to be note the point. You can copy to the other side also. Okay. So I created 3 boxes. First of all, I created 1 box, then again I duplicated the same object, then I scaled it. So then again I duplicated the object into other side. The depth is more needed for whatever the inside the duplicated object. So the similar kind of techniques we can make it in spline also, but this pro boolean option also, it's easy. Okay, again I'm going to make the compound object. In modify, once you click, you will get the compound object. So pro boolean and start picking. Click on the start picking and make it default option in the below start picking. Those options should be default. See, right now we got to the outer shape of an window. So what I have to do next means, so I need to make those cylinder shape of metal. So inside I need it. For that, I will create cylinder. Okay, so I'm going to take one cylinder here. So click on the angle snap tool and rotate the cylinder exactly on a 90-degree axis. Okay, scale it and always make a habit to work in a top, front and left and right. Okay, so I'm copying those metallic cylinder to below. Select those both cylindrical object, move it down, and check on the option box how much you need to duplicate the similar kind of cylinder object. Okay, so you can move the vertex below. Okay, so what I have to do next means, so I need to make a hole to those places. Okay, inside I need a hole because the metallic object is inside. We need inside of those cylindrical objects. For that, I am going to duplicate the cylinder into other side. Similar, I'm going to make the pro-Boolean techniques. Okay, pro-Boolean, start picking, and then click onto the cylinder. So you can check out there is a hole created in between those mesh. So okay, so you clear. So why I duplicated those cylindrical object before. Okay, so then again I am moving to the cylinder in the same place. Okay, make it exactly on the window design. So for that I am going to create one more cylindrical object and rotate it exactly on a 90-degree axis and scale it how much we need it and move it to the other side. Similar, make it down. Okay, next what I am going to do means I am going to create a wall. So in the help of pro-Boolean techniques only, so I will create the output shape of window. I copied the object, then I am scaling the outer face of a polygon. Okay, so you got the outer shape of window. Then what you have to do in the next means you need to move the vertex. Click on the vertex, move it only the outer portion. Okay, in the method of pro-Boolean techniques, you can create any kind of designs like window, doors, and some other object. Pro-Boolean techniques is similar to spline modeling, but we can create the polygon or any kind of model related to architectural interior or exterior design. We can use it pro-Boolean techniques. It's a similar of a spline modeling. Okay, see, I'm going to create one more box. One more window shape I'm going to create right now here. Okay, this is one side, the box I created. So what I have to do next, I will scale it how much you need. Mesh should be inside. Okay, similar. You need to convert into polygon, then the compound object pro-Boolean start picking. And subtraction in parameters. There should be, because you need to remove the copied object. Okay, I am copying this mesh into another side. Okay, so we can create plane of inside the removed faces. For example, the glass shape. So the modeling is very important in architectural and interior design portion. Once the modeling is perfect, so then it looks good in texturing portion and also for the lighting effects. So the modeling is the most important portion of in architectural and interior design. If you are a good modeler, then texture won't take that much difficulties. And the lighting also, it will take more time to understand